Top 10 reasons why this car can't have mirrors, and how it's legal. Hello, and welcome. In today's fast-paced world of automotive innovation, luxury and concept cars are pushing boundaries by replacing traditional mirrors with advanced camera systems. Let's dive into the top 10 reasons why these cars no longer need mirrors, and how it's completely legal. Buckle up for a fascinating journey. Number 10. Aerodynamics Improvement. One of the biggest reasons why luxury and concept cars are ditching traditional mirrors in favor of cameras is to improve aerodynamics. Side mirrors create drag as air flows over the vehicle, reducing its efficiency. By replacing mirrors with sleek, low-profile cameras, automakers can significantly reduce wind resistance, which not only boosts the car's performance, but also improves fuel efficiency. For example, the Audi E-Tron benefits from this design, making it smoother on the road. Could this be the future of every high-end vehicle on the market? Comment below. Number 9. Enhanced safety and visibility. Traditional side mirrors have blind spots, but camera systems eliminate that problem by offering a wider field of view. These systems provide real-time visuals that can adjust according to light conditions, ensuring that drivers have optimal visibility even at night or in poor weather. Some cameras can even pan and zoom to offer better views of the surroundings. In cars like the Lexus ES, this technology enhances safety, giving drivers more confidence on the road. Can you imagine a future where accidents from blind spots are a thing of the past? Number 8. Sleeker design. In the world of luxury cars, aesthetics are paramount, and side cameras offer a sleeker, more futuristic design compared to bulky traditional mirrors. Removing mirrors allows designers to create more elegant, flowing lines that enhance the vehicle's overall look. This not only attracts buyers with a taste for cutting-edge design, but also sets these vehicles apart as pioneering innovations. The McLaren Speedtail, for instance, boasts a stunning silhouette made possible by this very feature. What if your next car looked like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie? What do you think? Number 7. Reduced noise levels. Believe it or not, traditional mirrors contribute to the noise level inside the cabin due to the wind turbulence they create while driving at high speeds. By replacing them with cameras, car manufacturers significantly reduce this wind noise, resulting in a quieter, more serene driving experience. Audi's E-Tron is a great example of how modern technology can make your journey more peaceful. Can you imagine driving in almost total silence, with only the hum of the road beneath you? Number 6. Smaller profile for tight spaces. Traditional mirrors can make parking in tight spaces tricky, and, in some cases, prone to damage. Camera systems, however, have a much smaller profile, which means they don't stick out as much, allowing for easier parking in narrow spots. Not only does this reduce the risk of scratching or damaging your vehicle, but it also makes these cars more practical for city driving. With this feature in cars like the Honda E, could parking in tight spaces finally become stress-free? Number 5. Real-time display adjustments. Unlike traditional mirrors, camera systems can adjust in real time to the environment. Whether you're driving at night, in the rain, or in bright sunlight, these cameras are capable of optimizing brightness and contrast to give you the clearest possible view. Some systems even automatically adjust to factors like fog or glare, ensuring that drivers have superior visibility in all conditions. The Audi E-Tron's system's known for this adaptive capability, giving drivers a seamless view. How much safer could your daily commute be with such advanced visual clarity? Number 4. Integrated Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Replacing mirrors with cameras enables the seamless integration of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. These systems can be paired with cameras to detect potential hazards, lane departure warnings, or parking assistance. For example, the Tesla Model X incorporates cameras that work with the car's self-driving features to ensure safety on the road. This integration allows drivers to enjoy a more intuitive, tech-driven driving experience. Can you envision a future where your car's cameras are your personal driving assistants? Number 3. Legal approval through innovation. One of the reasons this technology is legal is due to how it's been thoroughly tested and approved by regulators in certain regions. In Europe and Japan, laws have been updated to allow camera-based systems to replace mirrors, as long as they meet strict safety and reliability standards. The Audi E-Tron was one of the first vehicles to benefit from these changes in regulations, making it possible for other manufacturers to follow suit. Could we see a worldwide adoption of these regulations in the near future, transforming the landscape of automotive design? Number 2. Improved fuel efficiency. By reducing drag, the elimination of mirrors improves fuel efficiency, which is a major win for electric vehicles (EVs). The smaller and more aerodynamic profile provided by cameras contributes to less resistance, meaning cars like the Audi E-Tron or Lexus ES can travel longer distances on a single charge. This innovation doesn't just improve performance, it helps the environment by making vehicles more energy efficient. Can you picture a world where even luxury cars contribute to a greener planet? Number 1. Future-proofing for autonomous vehicles. As we move closer to fully autonomous vehicles, mirrors will become increasingly obsolete. Cameras provide the visual input necessary for AI systems to navigate roads, monitor surroundings, and make real-time decisions. By incorporating cameras now, automakers are future-proofing their vehicles for the era of self-driving cars. In concept cars like the Mercedes-Benz Vision EQS, mirrors are already being replaced by advanced cameras that work seamlessly with autonomous systems. Could this be the final step toward fully autonomous driving becoming a reality? In a world where technology and luxury merge, the move from traditional mirrors to advanced cameras is not just about aesthetics, but also about safety, efficiency, and the future of driving. These cars are paving the way for innovation, and with legal approval already in place, it's only a matter of time before this becomes the new standard in automotive design. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos on YouTube.